Welcome to the weekly promo from 24 Trains TV. Here, we keep you updated on the latest videos available on our platform. From large to small, and from trains to monorails, for every topic related to railways, you'll find a video at 24 Trains TV. So what are you waiting for? Become a subscriber. You can join for just €4.99 per month, or try it free for 7 days. The start of the model railway calendar year is always marked by the massive model train fair at the Broodfabriek in Rijswijk. The most beautiful model layouts from all over Europe come together here to delight countless visitors. 24 Trains was present this year and produced an exclusive report. In the United States, there is more space available for large model railways. As a result, they are often truly spectacular. With a new episode from the series The Most Stunning Railroads in the USA, we once again take you along to one of these impressive model railways. Looking for even more model railway inspiration? Then read the latest tracksite Model Railroading online at 24 Trains TV. A journey on the Bernina Railway and then by train to Toronto is undoubtedly on the bucket list of many rail enthusiasts. Still unsure if it's worth the trip? With 24 Trains TV, you can take a virtual test ride. When you're on the train, you expect everything to work perfectly, but have you ever wondered how that reliability is ensured? In the White Day Workshop, we offer you an exclusive, behind-the-scenes look at how a carriage overhaul is carried out. For many Western steam train enthusiasts, the Chinese countryside was for years an oasis of daily steam. Special trips were often organized to chase the last giants among the Chinese steam locomotives. Among them is our train of the week, the Kuzhe of the Chinese State Railways. 24 Trains TV takes you on a journey with breathtaking footage. Steam trains, as you have rarely seen them. And that was it again, the update for this time. Next week, we'll be back to update you on the latest additions to 24 Trains TV. Would you like to watch more in the meantime? Then become a subscriber. It's possible from just €4.99 per month, or try a 7-day trial subscription. You can watch for free for 7 days. 24 Trains TV.